Hello kids, how are you? Especially girls, how are you today? We are reviewing this microwave toy, this excellent microwave toy. Here's the box. You can see it comes with a apron to put in yourself. Try to keep out the oils and these dirty things that kitchen can make. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Here we have this beautiful microwave ready to use. Comes with this 2 bags of food to play around. This is the way you can open the door. You can put your food there, and when you press this button on, you will see some lights and the food is gonna rotate inside the microwave. Isn't it great? You have more food, some mayonnaise and ketchup and all this stuff, and the apron to put in yourselves. Look at this, it's really light. You can take it anywhere, any picnic you have, you can take it with you. This great door. The food inside there to rotate when you press the on button. Are you ready to cook yourself, girls? Hope you like this one, and see you next time.